What's up guys, Sal here. So last year the cheapest Galaxy S20 started at $1,000 and went all the way up to $1,400 for the Ultra variant. And naturally because of that the S20 series didn't sell as well compared to last gen Galaxy S variants. It seems Samsung doesn't want to repeat the same mistake twice and they are taking multiple different approaches to make sure the Galaxy S21 variants aren't priced exorbitantly as the Galaxy S20 variants. According to South Korean media, Samsung has successfully negotiated some pretty steep price cuts on a number of key components for the Galaxy S21. Those key components include radio frequency component and the type of display module that will be carried on the cell phone. The unit price of these components has apparently been reduced by around 9%, which is quite a lot. Usually a smartphone vendor will only cut the price of a component by 3 to 5% of the price offered by a supplier. So this will surely mean the production cost or the bill of material of the Galaxy S21 series is going to be lower than if there were no price cuts, which could be passed on to the Galaxy S21 buyers in the form of a price reduction. Also, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus will offer a flat display, and the S21 Ultra is the only variant in the S21 family to offer a curved display. Personally, I like curved displays, and in my opinion, the Galaxy S20 has minimal display curves and is the best of both worlds as far as the curvature of the display is concerned. But I can see why Samsung is going with the flat panels, as flat displays are much cheaper than flexible rigid OLEDs, and this could mean they can lower the production cost of the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus significantly, as the display is one of the two costliest components that goes inside a smartphone. Also, there are unconfirmed rumors that Samsung might use a plastic display on the base S21 to further reduce the cost. So combined, all of these will mean that Galaxy S21 will be cheaper to manufacture, and as a result, Samsung is likely to price it cheaper than the Galaxy S20 family. If you want a no-compromise true flagship next year, then the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the one to go for. Samsung is clearly cutting corners with the other two S21 variants, which isn't particularly a bad thing as they are doing it to keep the prices low. Samsung will unveil the S21 earlier than usual in the first half of January. Yes, you saw that right. Nokia is gonna build a 4G network on the moon. Nokia has been awarded a $14.1 million contract from NASA to build the first 4G network on the moon. It's part of NASA's program which aims to send the first woman and next man to the moon by 2024. Nokia's network equipment will be installed remotely on the moon's surface using a lunar hopper. Thus, when deployed, the network will self-configure to produce the first LTE system on the moon, which will then provide voice and video communication capabilities, telemetry and biometric data exchange and more for the astronauts. If you're bummed that it's only going to be 4G, don't fret, it can be updated to a super fast 5G network in the future. Anyway, let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.